Next, let's go over the knife tool. The knife tool lets you add vertices anywhere on the mesh. Click to add a point, press the Enter key to confirm, and press the Escape key to cancel. Let's try drawing a square at the center of a face. Click the four corners to place points in the shape of a square, then press Enter to confirm. One important thing to note: in Blender, you can't create a face that's floating on its own, not connected to any other points. So the nearest points will automatically merge and form edges. In this case, the mesh is now made up of 3 faces on the same plane. The hotkey is K for knife. One of the most useful features of the knife tool is that you can create points that go across existing edges like this. If you want to add vertices in a straight line, this is a good way to do it. Also, if you press the C key while using the tool, it enables cut-through mode, which lets you cut all the way through the mesh, even the backside. This allows for 3D-style cuts. If you click and hold on the knife tool, you can also select the Bisect tool. Just as the name suggests, this tool splits the mesh in half. To use this tool, you first need to select the mesh you want to cut. So before doing anything, press A to select everything. Then drag across the face you want to cut, and the mesh will be sliced along that path. You can drag this arrow to adjust the cut area. If you check Clear Inner or Clear Outer, it will delete the corresponding part of the mesh as it cuts. If you check Fill, Blender will automatically fill in the cut area to create a face. Knowing how to use these options, depending on the situation, will really expand your modeling possibilities.